Welcome back, everyone. Today we are drawing one of the most haunting, layered, and unforgettable characters in modern anime. Ai Hoshino from Oshinoko.
One, two, three, keep it going now.
She's more than just an idol. She's a symbol of dreams, lies, love, and heavy price of fame. As the lines start to take shape, I want to take you deep into her story, the illusion, the tragedy, and the legacy that defines her. Ai Hoshino, a name that once lit up the stages, captured millions of hearts, and ultimately shattered them. I was the perfect idol, bubbly, cute, and irresistible. But the truth was much darker. She wasn't allowed to be real. Every smile, every word, every gesture, she carefully manufactured for the people who adored her. The entertainment industry, especially Japan's idol scene, thrives on creating perfect fantasies. The moment an idol shows weakness, or worse, become human, the illusion breaks and the industry moves on. In interviews, "Do you like your fans?" she would answer, "Of course I do." But the real question was, does she even know what love is? Every word she spoke was an act. Every smile was a defense. Behind all the perfection was a girl craving to be loved, not as an idol, but as herself. But the world is cruel to those who break the rules. I kept her children hidden. Every diaper change, every lullaby, every moment of motherly warmth is all done in secret. Because an idol's greatest crime is being human and letting the world see it. In the end, her perfect mask couldn't protect her from reality. The day her stalker stood at her door, it wasn't just a random act of violence. The price of playing a role for too long and the ultimate collapse of the illusion. Even her last moments, she thought about her children. Her last words, spoken without a lie, "I love you." The lie she built her life on shattered. In time for the truth to come out, moment before her death. Ai's life was a paradox, loved by millions, yet starved of real love. And all she could do was lie her way through it. Idol culture isn't built on authenticity, it's built on perfection. Even if it's fake, the fans fall in love with an image, not a person. And I mastered that image. She lied for survival. She smiled to avoid being broken. But behind closed door, I was just lonely. Abandoned child who carved love more than fame or fortune. She once asked if it's okay to love someone, even if it's a lie. That wasn't a catchy line, it was a confession, a window into her silent suffering. At the peak of her stardom, I made the choice that would change everything. She became a mother in secret. Twins, Aqua and Ruby, two lives born from the love she never thought she deserved. retreated from the spotlight and built a small, fragile home for her children. Every lullaby, every smile at them, every moment of warmth was a quiet rebellion against the cold world that told her idols couldn't be human. She wasn't defying the industry. She was fighting to hold on to the one real thing in her life. The day I opened the door to that fan, her story ended. In the split second before her life was stolen, she didn't think of herself, she thought of her children. And then, for the first time, I did something she had never done before. She said, I love you, and meant it. The girl who spent her life lying for love died telling the truth. That scene wasn't just sad, it was the cruelest reminder. The idol the world adored was only ever allowed to be herself in her final breath. Ai's death didn't end her story. It began someone else. For Aqua, it planted obsession, revenge, and calculation. For Ruby, it planted longing, admiration, and the desire to follow her in her footsteps. Both children shaped by grief, both searching for the mother they barely got to know. Living in the shadows of the love she could only express once, it was too late. Every step they take, every choice they make, circles back to the same question I once asked herself. Is it okay to love, even if it's a lie? I wasn't perfect. She was broken, complicated, and full of contradictions. She was a child star, forced to pretend she was an adult. A professional liar, desperate to be honest. And that's what Oshinoko does so brilliantly. It isn't just a story about idols, it's a story about human being trapped inside roles they couldn't choose. The star in her eyes, now iconic in anime culture, weren't just an aesthetic choice. They symbolized her pursuit of dreams and the burden of expectations. Ai Hoshino was a bright star, one that burned too fast, too hard, and left behind a sky full of questions. This is Ai Hoshino, the girl who shined too bright and faded too soon. If this drawing and her story moved you, hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for the more deep dives like this. Every character has a story worth telling, and every drawing brings the story to life. Until next time, keep chasing the stars.